Maine. Today's February 13, 2017. Look at all this snow. Truck was buried. Still buried. Look how tall this is.
Did you say 2013?
No, I said February 13, 2017. Probably did say. What's up, buddy?
It's taller than you.
I like your outfit,
this
babe.
way.
Look at your outfit.
Turn this way so it's not blowing in your face. There.
He doesn't know that.
Market! Come here! Look, I can't. The snow's bigger than me.
Look at that, the wind blowing. Is there shoveling happening here? Make sure you dig out. Ramel, put the snow on the other side. Okay? Yep. Put it to your left. Grab his sled and make him slide down. Not talking to you. Holy cow. Look at that. Plow trucks. Plow trucks. Look at this shit. Maine winter. Gotta love a Maine winter. Look how deep these foot. Damn. It's pretty deep. Keep going, guys. The quicker you guys are done with that, you guys can go about your business. You guys need to finish and clear up the bulkhead. If I need to get to the basement for any reason, that area needs to be cleared out. About to put this beast to work. Can't wait to drive this in the snow right now and try to get it stuck. After, maybe you guys could put more snow in front of the Land Rover and try to get it stuck, and we'll get it out. We'll drive it out. Finish. We'll put snow in front of the Land Rover and try to get it stuck and get it out. That's gonna be fun. Jump, buddy. Jump. I'm gonna pull the Land Rover down to that side over there.
Ready?
Babe, let me see your outfit. Turn around, babe. See your outfit, your gangster outfit.